Have you ever wondered why some spaces feel right the moment you walk in? Why one home radiates peace and another feels heavy without any reason? What if the answer lies not in design trends, but in an ancient science that understood the spirit of space itself? Today, let's introduce ourselves to Vastu Shastra, the timeless science of architecture, direction, and cosmic alignment. The word Vastu means dwelling, and Shastra means science. Together, they form a philosophy that's over 5,000 years old, one that goes beyond how we build to explore how we live within what we build. It's a study of balancing the five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and sky, with man and material to create spaces that breathe, flow, and heal. When these elements are in harmony, architecture transcends structure. It becomes energy in form. Earth brings stability, water, flow and healing, fire, passion and transformation, air, joy and movement, and sky, infinite openness. Together, they form the rhythm of every space, the unseen music that makes it breathe. But what if I told you that behind the science lies a cosmic story of creation, devotion, and transformation, a myth as ancient as time itself? Let me take you there. From the sweat of Lord Shiva, shed in the heat of divine battle with Andhakasura, arose a being, vast, raw, and untamed. He was no demon of darkness, nor god of light, but a force, pure, elemental, uncontainable. This being was born hungry and decided to perform intense penance, meditating on Shiva himself until the Lord appeared, pleased by his devotion. When asked for a boon, the being said boldly, "Grant me the power to consume the three worlds." And in his fairness, Shiva agreed. But power unchecked is power unbalanced. The being's energy grew so vastly that it threatened the fabric of existence itself. The Devas turned to Brahma and Brahma to Vishnu, who devised a plan to restore balance. Together, the gods wrestled the being to the ground, pinning him face down across the cosmic directions. Yet, instead of punishment, Brahma offered transformation. From this day, he said, you shall no longer destroy, but protect. You will become the Vastu Purush, the spirit of space itself. Pinned across the earth, his head rested in the northeast, his feet in the southwest, and his body became the grid, the Vastu Purush Mandala, the sacred map of energy on which all spaces are designed. Around him, 45 deities took their positions, 32 along the outer periphery, 13 within, each governing a direction, a quality, a dimension of human life. From the purity of the northeast to the grounding of the southwest, every zone of your home echoes a cosmic rhythm, a divine story. Let's journey through these 8 sacred directions and discover how each one influences our life and our spaces. Northeast, home of Lord Shiva, the space of spirituality and peace. East, ruled by Surya, the sun god, the source of vitality, health, and new beginnings. Southeast, the domain of Agni, the fire god, transformation, energy, and drive live here. South, home of our ancestors. It reminds us of our roots, lineage, and respect for those who came before. Southwest, guarded by Yama, Lord of Transformation. This zone anchors stability and relationships. West, ruled by Varuna, Lord of Water, and Vayu, Lord of Wind. This is where creativity and pleasure flow. Northwest, the domain of Vayu, the wind god, symbolizing movement, change, and flexibility. North, the realm of Kubera, Lord of Wealth, associated with prosperity, growth, and success. Every wall, every window, every threshold is part of this grand geometry. When aligned with the cosmic grid of Vastu Purusha, it channels balance, abundance, and well being. When a space honors these alignments, fire in its place, water in its flow, air in its rhythm, sky in its openness, and earth in its grounding, it becomes more than a shelter. It becomes a living mandala, a reflection of cosmic order designed for human joy. Even today, in the rhythm of fast city life, amidst changing skylines and restless routines, the wisdom of Vastu quietly endures. Its principles guide us beyond form and function, reminding us to design for light, air, balance, and well being. In architecture, we find echoes of this ancient science through passive cooling, natural orientation, and biophilic design. Sensitivity is the essence of Vastu Shastra. It teaches us a profound truth that the spaces we design are mirrors of the energies we carry. When we design with awareness, we don't just create homes, we create harmony. And in that harmony, we find peace. As we honor the spirit of space, let us remember this ancient prayer. Namaste Vastu Purushaya Bhushayya Prabho Madgruham Dhanadhanyadi Samruddham Kuru Sarvada. Salutations to you, O Vastu Purusha, who rests upon the earth. O Lord, may my home always be blessed with abundance, wealth, and well-being.